Now it's nighttime. This is how Solar Garden looks like live at the JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Guys, so you just can talk the talk, you gotta do the do. So, and Solar Man, and I have to show you how the garden looks like solar. Look at this light. This is a big bulb here. Got this a while back. Okay, let me try to see if I can keep that a little bit. You see, this is like halogen. Look at the solar panels, huge. See that? So nice shined. So look at that. Look at this. This is cool, huh? So this is what a solar garden looks like here at the JW Solar USA. So you gotta do, suck the energy during the day and ready to release it back for the plants at night so they can get more chlorophyll. Yeah, so they can still, germinate, grow, and this is what it is. Nighttime here at the JW Solar USA Solar Garden. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all, and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video coming up with the 500 gigabyte hard drive. Is I think it's Crucial, something like that. I forgot the name, but it's a 500 gigabyte hard drive, which is a solid state drive. It's gonna be installed to the computer. All right, tonight. Stay tuned for that. Here's the garden. Like and subscribe. Bye for now. And watch the first video if you haven't seen that. Watch that first and watch this one now. This is part 2 of it. It's Minnesota love right here. It's kind of cool weather. I don't know, cool breeze blowing. We are fine. Yeah, enjoying the scene.